Hello, Dennis Pennington here, Senior Bioenergy Educator with Michigan State University Extension, talking to you today about the basics of biodiesel production. 1.8 billion gallons of biodiesel was produced in the United States in 2013. The primary feedstocks include soybean, canola, used vegetable oil, and animal fats. The Renewable Fuel Standard requires 1 billion gallons of biodiesel be consumed in the United States annually. The chart on the right shows that soybean oil is by far the largest biodiesel feedstock, followed by corn oil, yellow grease, and canola oil. So what about the biodiesel production process? Well, the first step is to produce an oilseed crop. Once you've produced your crop, you need to process the seed. It first needs to be run through an oilseed crusher to squeeze all the oil out. Then you need to run the oil through a filter press that will filter the oil out. Once you have good, clean, filtered oil, you run it into a reactor that conducts the transesterification process to make biodiesel. Or, a different step could include eliminating the production and processing or squeezing the oil out of the seed steps if you can get access to waste vegetable oil. If you can find waste vegetable oil at a restaurant, you can skip those first steps and go directly to the filter process. Then run your filtered oil through the transesterification process to make biodiesel. This will save you dollars because you don't have to produce your own seed and squeeze the oil out of the seed. That's already done for you. The problem is that there's not enough waste vegetable oil to supply all of our needs. So that means that we will probably be involved in producing and crushing the seed to extract the oil. So what about the biodiesel process? Here's a primer on how it works. Transesterification is a fairly simple chemical process where you take vegetable oil and add alcohol and a catalyst, and what you get is glycerin and biodiesel. About 1 gallon of vegetable oil produces about 0.95 gallons of biodiesel, so it's almost a 1-to-1 ratio. This reaction produces a 1-to-5 ratio of glycerin to biodiesel volume also, which is a readily digestible product. It can be put in an anaerobic digester. That means for every 5 gallons of biodiesel, you will get 1 gallon of glycerin. A third product is a high-protein animal feed called oilseed meal. After you've crushed the oil out of your seed, what you're left with is a high-protein animal feed. This has been the basics of how biodiesel is made. For more information, please contact me at the information located on the screen.